Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change related product text in single product page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page. So we are going to change it. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see text, checkout or other product. So you can customize this text according to your requirement. So you can add text according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page and refresh the page. So this is our text. Now you see check out our other product. So we are going to change this text by using custom code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.